A mask is easily placed on a betrayed and broken face, a disguise to hide the past. When you mapped out my skin and made the memories last. Some things are never erased, and I have run when I've been chased by recollections of you and me, falling off our homemade castle. And even when I'm walking straight, I always end up in a perfect circle. Oh, I try, but I just can't wait.